have three categories of operating activities, and specifically we will list them on, I just highlighted them in red, the operating ones. And we have current assets, current liabilities, and also depreciation expense. Anything that relates to income statement, current asset, current liability, and balance sheet goes into operating activities. Okay, so in the statement it will look like this. The $55,000 is already listed there. Depreciation you added. Increase in current assets subtracted. Think of the example of accounts receivables. If we have increased accounts receivables, sales revenue increased, but this is not cash, so we subtracted. Okay, decrease in current liabilities basically means we paid off some of the liabilities, so we use up the cash, so we subtract $19,000. So overall net cash provided by operating activities worth $42,000. Now the second section, investing activities, this relates to any long-term asset activities. So purchase of equipment, $39,000. Basically, if we purchase something, company's perspective, they'll be losing cash, $39,000. Now cash received from sale of land, the $34,000, it readily tells you it's a cash receipt. So we add the $34,000. Okay, so the investing section will look like this. We subtract $39,000, purchasing asset, it loses company's cash. Cash received as selling asset, $34,000. The last section, financing activities. If we issue common stock, this definitely, we raise capital from the public. This increases cash balance by $30,000. Any payment of dividends, $6,100. Any payment of dividends is always reduces cash. Okay, unless it's a stock dividend. If it's a stock dividend gave out, it has nothing to do with cash. Okay, but if it's regular, it doesn't tell you stock dividend, just say paid out dividends. Just assume it's cash dividends. So in this question here, investing activities overall, we also lost $5,000 cash. Financing activities increased $23,900 since we raised capital from common stock $30,000. That's a lot more than the cash dividends that we gave out. In terms of operating activities, we increased $42,000 here. In case you miss any part, all of these are on Blackboard, okay? So overall net increase in cash is $60,900, and then after this, usually there will be one line of last year's cash balance. Add to $60,900, that will give you this year's cash balance. Okay, so this usually is not the end of the cash flow statement. This is just the overall effect.